What privacy means to Australians. The Australian Law Reform Commission, or ALRC, considering the concept of privacy. First, information privacy, which involves the establishment of rules governing the collection and handling of personal data, such as credit information and medical and government records. It is also known as data protection. Second, bodily privacy, which concerns the protection of people's physical self against invasive procedures, such as genetic tests, drug testing, cavity searches. Third, privacy of communication, which covers the security and privacy of mail, telephones, and other forms of communication. Fourth, territorial privacy, which concerns the setting of limits on intrusion into the domestic and other environments, such as the workplace or public space. This includes searches, video surveillance, and ID checks. Privacy in Australia. In Australia, the govern the handling of personal information about individuals is called the Privacy Act 1988. The Australian Privacy Act 1988 is an Australian federal legislation, and it set out the provision to protect the privacy of individuals. For context, Australia is a party nation to the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights. That means that the country is undertaken to adopt legislative measures that give effect to the right of persons not to be subject to arbitrary or unlawful interference when it comes to their privacy, family, home, or correspondence. Australia is also a member of Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, which recommends that members nations embed the principles concerning the protection of privacy and individual liberties into their domestic legislation, which has been acted in this case by the Queen and the Senate and the House of Representatives of the Commonwealth of Australia. 13 Australian privacy principles that are set out in Schedule 1 of the Privacy Act 1988. The first two principles in Schedule 1, Part 1 of the Act relate to consideration of personal information privacy. This includes the Australian Privacy Principle on that promotes open, transparent management of personal information, and the Australian Privacy Principle 2 that promotes autonomy and pseudonymity. The next three principles in Schedule 1, Part 2 of the Act related to collection of personal information. This includes the Australian Privacy Principle 3 that cover the collection of solicited personal information, as well as the Australian Privacy Principle 4 that cover dealing with unsolicited personal information, and the Australian Privacy Principle 5 that promotes notification of the collection of personal information. The next four principles in Schedule 1, Part 3 of the Act relate to dealing with personal information. This includes the Australian Privacy Principle 6 that cover the use or disclosure of personal information, as well as the Australian Privacy Principle 7 that cover any direct market. Also, the Australian Privacy Principle 8 that cover cross-border disclosure of personal information, and the Australian Privacy Principle 9 that promotes the adoption, use, or disclosure of government-related identifies. The next two principles in Schedule 1, Part 4 of the Act relate to integrity of personal information. These include the Australian Privacy Principle that cover the use or disclosure of personal information, as well as the Australian Privacy Principle 10 that reflect the quality of personal information, and the Australian Privacy Principle 11 that cover the security of personal information. The last two principles in Schedule 1, Part 5 of the Act relate to the access to and correction of personal information. This include the Australian Privacy Principle 12 that cover the access to personal information, and finally the Australian Privacy Principle 13 that promotes the correction of personal information. The association that campaign for privacy protection. The Australian Privacy Foundation is the primary association dedicated to protecting the privacy rights of Australians. The foundation aims to focus public attention on emerging issues which pose a threat to the freedom and privacy of Australians. The foundation has led the fight to define the right of individuals to control their personal information and to be free of excessive intrusions.